McBaron 7 Seas Aromatic Pipe Tobacco Series. This is McBaron's take on American aromatics, based on Virginia base. Unlike the American series, uses a burley base. McBaron also uses a fog to enhance their flavoring on their tobacco. This series came out in 2010. Here we have the regular 7 Seas. This has Golden Virginias, light brown Burleys, and Virginia Black Cavendish, notes of vanilla and chocolate. 7 Seas Gold. The gold is Golden Virginias with notes of vanilla. This is the 7 Seas Royal blend. Golden Virginias, Burley, Black Cavendish. Flavoring is honey and light fruit. The red blend. Golden Virginias, light brown Burley, Black Cavendish, and a tart cherry flavoring. And last is the black blend. This consists of Virginia Black Cavendish with notes of licorice and dark fruit. As always, make sure you dry out your tobacco, and these blends will not bite, very smooth, and recommended pipe would be a meerschaum. Second recommendation would be a corncob.